to a new day. So yesterday nilipika ugali and I'm thinking I'm supposed to eat ugali mayai. You know how they say toast mayai? I want to eat ugali mayai. So join me as I eat breakfast and happy Sunday by the way.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home.
I know. It's around 8:40 something. I'm ready to go to work, but I just wanted to hop here and say hi. I don't know if we should bring you to advance my life because I'm tempted to do that today because I'm going to work, show you around work, show you what we do actually. It will be fun. But before that, I just wanted to say I want to show you my outfit because it looks cute. I'm wearing this because Nairobi weather is so unpredictable. Jana nilikuwa nimevaa rice and it was cold. Baridi. So I'm wearing this sweater with these mummy jeans. And I'm getting weight because my hair is showing. And I'm so happy about that. I can't even lie. I am so happy I'm getting weight. I just pray I don't get weight in other places. And I don't like what are they called? I don't like I'm not a big fan. Oh, I was saying something. I'm not a big fan of jeans, so I normally use a what? It's called a what? A shoelace because I don't like it when you tuck in inaonekananga hapa. So personally I don't like that. So I normally use a lace behind unaifunga. And then you can hide this and then tuck in hapa mbele ama ukae tu vile niko without tucking in, and it's still okay. It's still a cute outfit. You don't have, it's something I learned kitambo some years back and I stuck with it. So yeah, anyway, let's head to work. Akisi thrifting has shown me my love. I thrifted this like a month ago. Usiku kabisa. Hey, cheki vile bag inaka. Nakwambia ilikuwa imepikwa dahe. Now I'm like, sasa nilibuy, and believe me, it was pure black when I bought it. Ni kama zile viatu na bangles na tans na kwa zebra. I bought that, and they're still somewhere in the house. But sasa this is the next one. I'm wondering hata nitafanya nayo because sasa like money wasted. Anyway, let me go to work. Thrifting now, baby, because nilinunua, so I'm gonna waste my money like that. No, I'm gonna use it for like a month and then I'll keep it somewhere and then get a new one because what? It's on a Tuesday. It's on a Tuesday morning around 8. And I'm here to work. I just wanted to say morning and let's go to work together. Today I have some things to show you and I can show you what we actually do. I can show you like a day in the life. Today I'm wearing a graphic tee to work because why not? It says love food. I do love food, I'm not even gonna lie. I know, not the most professional thing, but I'm so thankful I can wherever the hell I want to work. For the it's decent, no one actually cares. And I'm not gonna stay with this the whole day, so I'm gonna have my own dust curtain, so it won't matter. That's why I just wear anything I want because I'm like, height on it, can I want my future. Thing is, this is white, so today I have to be extra careful because back home I've already cooked supper. I'm gonna show you what I cooked. I said I was gonna take you with me through the whole day. I couldn't do that. I got at work late because of traffic jam. Funny enough, nilifika vile jana nilifika. Jana nilichelewa kutoka na nilifika late. Leo nilitoka mapema na nikafika to the exact zip. Can't even get mad like. Saa zingine. Like it ruined my day. Hiyo kufika late, it just ruined my day. I didn't have the best day. Have the worst day, but I was just in a moody day. I was having a moody day. But I'm thankful I'm back home. So let me show you what I cooked. Na vile inakaa because why not? Sindio? One pot food. Kataka tukumia pot moja pekee. Let me show you what I made. I made what? Kivile ni moto waki. Just imetoke kidogo. I made that. Mchele, mbosho with some dania on top. And I'm trying to make some guac. Let me show you the guac. I'm trying to make some guac. Just waiting for my onions to iyo kanini taste, ishe, and then I'll add them. Then I'm gonna plate it and show you how it looks. With some milk, of course. Check it.